Coming out of high school, I had no idea what I wanted to do. I had no idea where I wanted to go to college. And OBU at NLC came up, and I knew that this is what God had planned for me. I still didn't know what I was called to do when I started here, but now I know that I'm going to be serving in the business industry. I know that He's called me to do ministry in the business industry. What that means for me is that's going into business with my dad. He owns a plumbing company in Cabot, and we thrive in doing residential and commercial jobs all around Cabot, all around Central Arkansas. Over the past few years, I've been able to go to school and have business classes. I've been able to intern with the finance team at New Life. All these things have helped me develop my calling and what God has for me to go on and go into the business industry, help my dad out, get my plumbing certificate. I know that these things are what God has laid out for me through OBU at NLC. I'm graduating in a couple of weeks, and I can strongly say that I know my calling, and I know that I'm going to live it out in the way that God has called me to do.